Okay, tell me about the little brown baby and where she lives.
The little brown baby lives in the warm place, and she has only this string tied around her neck, and she has no clothes because it's warm there already. She does this at the night. The mom tosses her into her bed where the father made on a tree. Then when the sun rises up again, the baby opens its eyes and then lands into her mother's arms. Then the mother puts her in a brook for a bath. And we're done.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, tell me about Agonak, the Eskimo sister, and where she lives.
Agonak lives in the cold place.
Mm-hmm.
And she lives there using jackets made out of polar bears, hoods made out of polar bears, and pants made out of polar bears, and scarves made out of seals, I guess, and the shoes, I guess,
Okay.
made out of birds.
Mm-hmm.
And Agonak, the Eskimo sister, has a little brother. He goes outside during the days that are warm,
Very good.
but he doesn't go out when the days are cold.
Mm-hmm. What else?
They have their friend a deer.
Yeah.
But the deer can be useful. It's their cow.
Mm-hmm.
The deer, when it's dead, they can use the bones for a sleigh.
Yeah.
And its antlers for at least decorations.
Mm-hmm. How about the sled?
The sled? I think it was made out using the deer, right?
And other bones.
Oh, right. And that.
How about their house? What is it made?
It looks like an oven,
Mm-hmm.
but once I tell you this, it is not an oven.
Mm-hmm.
It is a house made out of ice.
Mm-hmm.
It's called an igloo.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. I think that's all.
Okay, very good.
Woo.
Okay, question number 3. Please tell me about the midnight sun.
This chapter is having a weird title because it's called The Dark Days of Agonak.
Mm-hmm.
She lives in the dark times, but it was not always. But it was not always dark there.
Mm-hmm.
The sun was always there.
And
It is there for a little bit, then it comes down, then a little longer, then it comes down again, then a long time. Then it never comes down.
why?
Because the sun is pointing here, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the earth is pointing here. The sun goes around the earth, right? I mean, the earth goes around the sun,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
But the Arctic is right there. And the sun is always on it, look.
Okay, very good.
That's why,
It's tilted to the sun.
yep, always the sun. Once a sun, always a sun. Always, it's as in it's always there in the Arctic.
Mm,
That's all.
very